Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where and how to change our contacts name format in our phone book in Samsung S22. So first of all, of course, we need to open our contacts. Then these three lines here, and at the top right, this cog here. By default, we have first name, last name. Format, we can change it to last name and first name next. And now in our phone book, our surname will be before our name. That's it. A little bit hidden, but if you want to change it, this is how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.